1. This video is an introduction, so I'll explain why I started this page and the benefits of learning options. Each video will be 3 to 5 minutes long. I will start with the basics and then move on to advanced options strategies, Greeks, and everything else. So by the end of this training, you will know everything you need to know about options. Before I start, I have to tell you about myself. I started trading Forex 10 years ago and spent 2 to 3 years learning all about the technical and fundamental aspects of trading. Then I learned about stocks and later crypto, but I was still losing money. I wondered, what is holding me from making money? I realized that there are 2 parts to trading that I and most new traders ignore: psychological and risk management wings of trading. For some time, I focused on psychology. I read a couple of psychology books on trading and learned about cognitive errors and how to control my emotions, greed, anger, revenge trading, sorrow, etc. Still a work in progress. However, the most critical piece was risk management. I started with simple risk management strategies that everyone knows, like only using 1% or 2% of your account balance on each trade. Always commit to holding your stop loss and controlling account drawdowns. It was a good start, but not enough. Then I started learning about options. And that was when everything changed, because trading options not only help you manage risk and protect you from uncertainties, but also help you control your emotions. I think something that works for me might work for someone else, which is the primary purpose of this page.
To help make this page more fun and interactive, I will use different AI agents in each video, so you don't get bored with the training. I will write whatever is needed to help you understand the concepts better on the blackboard on the right side of the screen. We will start from options basics and go all the way up to advanced options strategies. I start with long, short, call and put and the combinations of these 4. I will explain the long call and put in a straightforward example, but will keep short calls and short puts for later. Then we learn about option features like strike price, option premium, and expiry date. Later, I explain how to read an option chart and open an option contract. The next step will be option profit and loss charts, so you know your profit and loss before you open an option contract. Then, I will explain the options Greeks, which means Delta, Gamma, Theta, and Vega, and we'll chat more about volatility. Then, we will go through our option strategies, from simple call and put to level 2 strategies, which mean commit call and married put, and level 3 spread strategies. Level 4 strategies, meaning naked calls and puts, are very risky, so I'll keep them for the final pieces of this puzzle.
As I explained earlier, investment and trading require practice, education, time, focus, dedication, and experience. I believe mastering 4 aspects of trading, meaning technical, fundamental, emotional, and risk management, is necessary to become a professional trader. We will focus on the last and the most critical one on this page, as learning technicals and fundamentals is not that hard. There are numerous free videos on YouTube that teach technical and fundamental analysis. Unfortunately, controlling one's emotions is something everyone needs to practice and experience. Thank you very much for sticking with me till the end of the video. Information overload is never good, and unfortunately, time always works against us. So, I plan to upload 2 to 3 videos a month. Please like and subscribe to this page so you don't miss the training. It also gives me a reason to continue doing this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next training.